carbuncle. Carbunculus. Definition. The carbuncle is a circumscribed deep-seated inflammation of the skin and subcutaneous tissue, terminating in a slough. In the beginning, it is sometimes difficult to distinguish it from a common boil, but as a rule, it starts out with symptoms of a more serious character. It is usually ushered in by a chill followed by fever. The part becomes hot, dusky red, circumscribed. The area affected is often from 1 to 3 inches in diameter. The pain is of a dull or throbbing character. Later on, the skin becomes of a dark bluish red, tense and shining. But by the end of a week or 10 days, the whole mass begins to soften and the skin breaks at 2 or 3 different points. Pus and a necrotic core is discharged from each opening. The swelling tension due to infiltration of the plastic ring precedes and the cavity gradually fills in by granulation. The size, flatness and the numerous points of separation together with the gravity of the constitutional symptom distinguishes it from furuncles. The favorite site are back, neck, shoulder, buttock. Pathology. The inflammatory process begins in a hair follicle. The area of the necrotic patch is in direct proportion to the resistance the skin present in different parts of the body. Prognosis. Favorable where there is no deep-seated disease such as in diabetes, alcoholics or in old people. Treatment. Heat in the different forms is soothing and often quite beneficial in the early inflammatory stage, but such surgical interference as curating and lensing is not advisable. Care, however, should be taken to keep the part surgically clean as the numerous separating points offer favorable means for absorption and infection. तो ये रेमेडीज़ हैं कुछ होम्योपैथिक, ये आप देख लीजिएगा। इंडिकेशंस पहला है एंथ्रासिन, violent burning pains, erysipelatous inflammation, hemorrhagic infiltration, cerebral symptoms, glandular swellings and a general gangrenous destruction. Next, arsenicum, indicated in pale anemic patients where there is a great prostration, much restlessness and fear of death, burning pains or the part burns like fire, discharges thin, often bloody, acrid and excoriating, much thirst, pain and local symptoms better by heat. Like cases, carbuncle, dark bluish red color, extremely sensitive to touch, discharge, dark, thin, ichorous, pus, very fetid, bleeds easily. The carbuncle is often surrounded by purple spots, symptoms worse after sleep. Apis, great swelling and edema of the part, stinging pains, better by moistening the part with cold water, no thirst. Carbobage, where the disease takes on a very malignant type and the discharges are dark colored, foul smelling and very offensive. Carbuncles on old people where there is much frustration, the tendency to gangrene accompanied with the carrion-like odor. Tarantula, adapted to highly sensitive nervous organism. Carbuncle, dark bluish color accompanied with dreadful burning pain, sensation of insects crawling over the part, great restlessness, cannot keep still in any position, excessive hyperesthesia of the part. नेक्स्ट है टॉपिक एंथ्रेक्स, जिसको बोलते हैं malignant pustules. Definition. It is a specific disease followed by local and constitutional symptoms produced by inoculation from a poison developed in the lower animals. Symptoms: slight itching and smarting at the point of inoculation in 24 hours. The part becomes red, inflamed, angry looking, in the center of which develops a large vesicle or blood filled with the clear serum. Contents of the vesicle soon becomes purulent and bloody, which soon ruptures and reveals the dark gangrenous ulceration. The neighboring glands and lymphatics soon become affected. The gangrenous patch enlarges, sloughing takes place and general infection of the whole system follows until death relieves the suffering of the patient. As the infection proceeds, it is often accompanied with rigors, vomiting, great perspiration, rapid pulse, profuse perspiration, and often diarrhea. Patient rapidly sinking into a typhoid state with a sudden collapse. उसके आगे इसकी पैथोलॉजी, इटियोलॉजी, डायग्नोसिस ये आप देख लीजिएगा वीडियो को स्टॉप करके। नेक्स्ट प्रोग्नोसिस और उसके बाद है ट्रीटमेंट। ये ट्रीटमेंट में मेडिसिन दी हैं, मोस्टली सेम है जो हमने पीछे पढ़ी थी कार्बंकल में, तो ये आप देख लीजिए। नेक्स्ट है इम्पेटिगो। डेफिनेशन: an acute pustular disease of the skin characterized by the formation of discrete round or oval pustules situated on a slightly inflamed base. They are little elevated above the skin and are incised from that of a split pea to a 10-cent piece. Symptoms: the disease is frequently preceded by a slight malaise and mild febrile symptoms, followed in a day or two by the pustular eruption which appears upon the face, hands, feet, and lower extremities. The contents of the pustule are of a seropurulent nature of a straw color, but sometimes it becomes slightly bloody. The lesions do not tend to rupture, although on pricking them, a thin purulent fluid escapes. The contents, however, in a few days are absorbed and the lesions dry up into thin yellowish brown crusts, which in time drop off, leaving no scar. Pathology: inflammation involves only the papular layer of the corium. Robinson states that it is a corpuscular inflammation, the embryonic corpuscles being present in great numbers. Etiology: ये इसकी etiology है। नेक्स्ट है इम्पेटिगो कंटेजियोसा। जो इसकी रेमेडीज़ वगैरह हैं वो आपको इसके अंदर मिल जाएंगी। Definition: an acute inflammatory contagious affection characterized by the development of isolated vesicles, blebs or vesicopustules which dry up into thin yellow crusts. Symptoms: ऑलमोस्ट सेम टाइप के ही सिम्टम्स हैं, देख लीजिए। लीजन्स आर यूजुअली फ्यू इन नंबर्स, जनरली मेकिंग द अपीयरेंस अपॉन द हैंड्स एंड फेस. They are small at first but gradually increase in size, frequently coalescing. The contents are at first transparent, then seropurulent or purulent. If the bleb is broken, a reddish abraded looking surface is exposed, secreting a thin puriform liquid. A few days later they dry into yellow sulfur color crust. They seem loosely attached, may be single or multiple. New ones appear as the old ones disappear. They are usually accompanied with slight itching. Scratch marks or abrasions upon the skin can be inoculated from the secretion. Sometimes the mucous membrane of the eye and nose is implicated by the production of little ulcers similar to the lesion upon the skin. Diagnosis ये देख लीजिए आप। The preceding mild febrile symptom, its epidermic character, the discrete vesicles, बाकी का आप देख लीजिए, यहाँ तक है। उसके बाद है प्रोग्नोसिस। सेल्फ लिमिटिंग एंड ईजिली क्योर्ड बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ट्रीटमेंट, नो लोकल ट्रीटमेंट इज नीडेड। अब रेमेडीज़ पे आते हैं। रेमेडीज़ सेम है, पिछला जो हमने इम्पेटिको देखा सेम ही है दोनों की। रेमेडीज़ ये दी है। उसके बाद इंडिकेशंस में है एंटिम क्रूड, पस्टुलस लाइज वेरिसेला विथ थिक येलो क्रस्ट, टेंडेंसी टू कोलिस, द चाइल्ड इज क्रॉस एंड कैन नॉट बेयर टू बी टच्ड, वर्स फ्रॉम वादिंग, tongue coated thick, white, milky. Arsenicum, pale, poorly nourished children with scrofulous tendency. The discharge from the pustule is thin and watery and excoriates and inflames the healthy tissue it passes over. Cicuta way. Crusts are lemon colored and appear about the chin and lower proportions of the face, which fall off and leave a bright red smooth surface accompanied with burning and itching. Calcarea ka, when the eruptions appear during dentation in large-headed children who sweat profusely about the head and face. Skin pale flabby eruption exudates a thick blend secretion. Euphorbium. Small pea-sized yellow vesicle biting sensation in the lesions, greasy taste in the mouth, syphilitic children. Crotontic eruptions upon a very inflamed base with itching and stinging pain, often appearing in the septum of the nose, pursues, coleus, crust grayish brown, itching, burning, stinging better by rubbing gently. Heifer. Soft friable crust excretion, thin yellow pus. The lesion is very red and sensitive to touch. It works by cold air or cold bathing. Bleeds easily. Abrasions on other parts of the body do not heal kindly. Mercurius. The lesions involve the deeper layer of the epidermis. Tendency to ulcerate with bloody secretions. Rustox. Rheumatic or gouty patients pursues containing a dark color fluid burn and itch. Violently stinging, tingling, better by moving about. Eruptions appear in clusters.